What's going on, guys? I just pulled the carb off this Craftsman 24-inch snowblower with the 179cc engine. The customer states that it doesn't start, so I'm about to pull the bowl off, see how bad it is inside the carburetor. And that is not good. I think it's salvageable, but it may need some parts. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put it back together and see if we can get it cleaned up and see if we can get it running. And this is what the needle looks like. All right, got the carb all cleaned up, putting it back together, and we'll see if it starts. All right, got the carb back on. I'm gonna see if we can get this thing to start. All right, pretty cool. Check it out, my other videos. You see how to clean this carb and all the other tips and tricks of small engine repairs. Thanks for watching.